Welcome back, watchers of the sky. It's the start of May 2025. SpaceX is launching even more Starlink satellites to orbit. A privately funded group of international astronauts will soon be headed to the ISS for a brief round of experimentation, and Australia is attempting to launch its own rocket, Ares 1, into orbit for the very first time. This void, we're talking stars, stars, stars. Let's transport outside and discover this month's sky. We begin tonight at moonrise, shortly before 10 p.m. Eastern Time, to discover a slightly less than full moon traversing close by, not Mars, red supergiant star Antares. If we could transport to, say, Argentina, and looked in the same area, the moon would appear to block out or occult Antares. Because the moon is much closer than other natural outer space objects, its exact position in the sky differs depending on viewing location on Earth, cause parallax. The position of the moon, as seen from 2 points greatly apart from each other, like Danville and San Juan, can vary by up to 2 degrees, or 4 times the diameter of the full moon. Continuing on to tomorrow morning, you may spot some streaks of light shooting by as the Eta Aquariid meteor shower is still visible. While it peaked last Tuesday, the shower will continue to be observable until the 28th. As the moon sets, look for dimmer Saturn, followed by brighter Venus, which will remain visible until just before sunrise, living up to its nickname of the Morning Star. Not an early bird? No problem. Go out tonight to see Jupiter and Mars for a bit longer before the larger of the two dips past the horizon in the coming weeks. Perhaps the most exciting thing to look out for in this month's night sky might be a new temporary star shining in the constellation Corona Borealis. Also known as the Northern Crown, the Greeks associated Corona Borealis with the wedding crown Dionysus gave his bride. The Romans linked it with Bacchus, using the crown to shield his appearance when first approaching Mount Olympus. Mesopotamians associated this group of stars with a goddess of love. The constellation's brightest star, the Arab named Alphecca, is an eclipsing binary star, a pair of stars that periodically eclipse each other. Our Corona Borealis is a variable star whose light fades by several magnitudes at irregular intervals. But the star of this summer sky is T Corona Borealis, or the Blaze Star. 3,000 light years away, TCRB consists of 2 stars orbiting one another. One of these stars is a cool red giant, the other a hot white dwarf. The white dwarf draws material from the red giant, and at the right time, releases this material in a hydrogen bomb-sized explosion called a nova. During nova, the blaze star increases in magnitude from being barely visible with binoculars to competing with Polaris in apparent brightness. T Corona Borealis is anticipated to go nova sometime in the next few weeks to months. When it does, it will appear as a new star within Corona Borealis for just a few days. This time next month, neither the Eta Aquariids, nor the Morning Star, nor the Blaze Star will be visible. But what will be is a new month of astronomical discoveries that we look forward to making together the second Tuesday of next month, June the 10th. Until then, thanks for watching and keep discovering.